Hello guys, it's your boy here, right back with another video. So I'm not gonna take too long. If you like this content, please subscribe, like it, comment down below which content do you want me to cover, and we'll do it in the next videos. But for now, I'm real quick with the forecast for the day. So basically, what do we have? We got 4 pairs and we're doing break and retest strategy. So on the Euro USD, yesterday price action is being like bullish, and overall everybody can see we're going up, so it's pretty decent. So today I'm looking for the buys. Let's see what's on the 5-minute. So basically what I did expect, you see, beautiful rejection from here. So this is a valid zone. So basically what I was waiting today is for the fake come back into the zone, retest, and then and then take those highs, or into the zone at least. Either I'm gonna wait for the break, for the retest, and go up to at least those highs, so something like that. That's for the Euro USD. On the GBP USD, sorry, I put it for daily. We're taking the daily bias. On the daily, overall we are going up, and today I was expecting, to be honest, a bullish move. Let's see what happened. I wouldn't count that as a back into the zone though, but I still was expecting is to come here, close here somewhere above, maybe take this high, something like that, come back down, retest it, and then just take it this high. If it's just gonna go straight forward and break this high, then what you can do, you're gonna expect to break it, to come down, and then to retest it. That's my forecast. So GBP/USD is done. Let's see for the GBP/JPY what GBP/JPY shows me. So basically we're into uptrend, but yesterday price action has been bearish. So what I was expecting today is to come somewhere close to this area. So I was expecting a bearish move today, but let's take this zone out and let's see what happened. No, still didn't provide like a proper retest though. But what you can wait for one more retest. Literally the EMAs is right here. Put it like that, and then just to target to the downside. You can put it like that, and you'll have 1 to 1.4 RR, which is pretty decent as well. It's not too bad. So guys, that's kind of the trade what I'm gonna wait for. And don't forget, we're gonna come to, I'm expecting to come somewhere close to, it literally came already, but I'm gonna wait for the retest, and then to drag even more, something like that. I'm gonna wait for it. It sounds like very decent, but something like that, that's gonna be my trade. Most likely it won't happen like to come to break this Asia high, so most likely this is the most common trade for the day. because it's already end of the London. So let's see on the Goldie, what are you gonna provide me, Goldie? Let's see. We're in kind of like consolidation, how you see. Yep. But the rules are rules. Obviously in those cases I rather just wait, yeah, because we're here overall we're bullish, but we are sitting at the support. So but anyway, today I was expecting like the bullish move, yeah. Let's see. The bullish. Boom. Boom. Nothing happened yet, but I'm gonna still wait for the maybe on New York session to break, come back, retest, and take it to those highs. Because most likely, yeah, if just in case it doesn't go straight through again, then what you can do, you don't need to wait this, you can just take this and just move up. That's gonna be the plan for the all 4 pairs. So yeah guys, if you feel comfortable you can take one of those trades. We got 4 pairs, so here is plenty of opportunities to take it. So yeah guys, that was for the day. See you in the next video. See you later. Bye.